today I'm going to be playing Teardown. Now this, if you haven't heard about Teardown, it's a simulation where it's like 3D objects and it's very technical and fun too. Let's head on into a game. I've already had one chosen out for what I'm going to play, so let's play. Alright, just waiting for it to load in. Alright, you could skip ahead if you want. I might actually edit this out. So still waiting. I think it's a pretty big map, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, Chronos map. Oh, I've seen these ones before, they're good. Got a laptop here. Mystery 1, 7 civilians disappeared the last week. They were last seen at the diner having a blast and getting drunk. I mean, that sounds fun for them. I mean, not at this age for me, but fun for them. Oh, we got a nice house here. Got a TV as well in the bedroom. That's pretty fancy. Alright, let's go. I mean, oh wow, okay, wow. Just broke that door. Got a bit of a place here to explore. Let's explore this way. Alright. Wish we could sprint faster. I guess not. Run this way. Oh, there's a person in here. Hello, Anna. NPC, non-player character, you can get out of here. Maui. Where'd you go? You just disappeared, okay. A small bit left of you. Don't worry, I don't treat NPCs like this usually. Oh, got a nice little place in here. Hey, John. Oh, sorry about your guitar. I must throw you, it's a ritual. Awesome! Awesome. Let's spray paint, just to leave a mark of where I was. And I'm gonna leave you a nice gift. Enjoy. Also, I need to steal some stuff. Actually, that's probably gonna explode anyway. Let's just leave before. Okay, yeah. Looks like we've got a nice statue here of somebody. Oh, hi Carlos. Let's not talk about that. We've got a police car here, that's nice. Nice. Oh, there's a little car in that one. I mean, it's not little, but it's a car. Oh. That's one way to get in. Paulo. Hey, Paulo. How you doing, Paulo? Sorry for like squishing you with the car. Nope. And there's a little bit of a fire there, so I'm just gonna like take this one. I nearly died there. Oh my god, okay, I need to get out. I can't even go any faster. Right, that's a huge tree, okay. I don't want to get squished. Break that. Because I'm way to go a little faster. Hold up, let's get rid of this random that I see. Blue tide. Oh, there's a guy there. Okay. sorry for your car, whoever it is. Homeless. Go away, you smell bad. Who's saying it? Is it me or that guy? Well, let's pretend it's that guy, and... I mean, people in Teardown, you know. So... Did you just see that? That's actually gonna be one of the good things. You spin me... Sorry, Luke. You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round, round. I love music so much. Just the lag. There's a guy here. I just destroyed it. Okay. Sorry, Roll. Roll. What kind of name is Roll? I mean, sorry if you're watching Roll. Is that a gem or something? That's what it is. Because I actually kind of want a gem. I mean, just bringing in a license, like you're going to be old enough to, you need money. This is a person, they seem to be flowers. So, oh my god. Some mod stuff. I might have to explode your nuts. Sorry. Yeah, let's get out of here. I'm gonna get my hook shot. Flippy flappy flippy out of here. Whoa, that's too fast. Can I fly you? Can I fly you? I wanna fly you, please. Please, no! Wait, can I get on top? No! Why would I fly you? Okay, that's just extremely disrespectful. Goodbye. Alright, that was highly unexpected, but alright. You got a tourist. Sorry for ruining your day, tourist, and then smashing your head against the window. How disrespectful of me. Honestly, I don't care. Paula, I guess. Hey, Maria. Goodbye, Maria. That was kind of awkward. I'm sorry. Let's just go through here. Okay. Sale 50% off. Nice. That's a good sale. Depends what it is, really. 50% off. I think everything's good 50% off. House under construction. Sorry, working car. Goodbye car, I guess. Let's just destroy this. This is a robbery. I'm stealing all your stuff. Good. Your computer. I'm stealing. Is that a PS5? That severely looks like a PS5. Okay. Well, I'm stealing your PS5 if it is a PS5. Yeah, no more games. Just go outside and get a job. Yeah, that's advice from me. This is robbery. This is. I think you should eat some salad, Rosa. I'm sorry, Rosa, you NPC. Get out of here. Okay, my bad for that. Wasn't expecting it to be that awkward, but sure. Book. Who reads books? Bro, if anybody knows about Teardown, please put it in the comments. Got a speaker here. Can't even pick that up. Lord's PC. Hey, Ricky! Sorry Ricky, this is no longer a house, this is my house, okay? I have to throw you because it's a ritual. It's a ritual throwing people. Okay, time to like get out of here with your PC. This guy's PC. And no more PC for you. You can no longer game. You can no longer enjoy games because I said so. And oh yeah, that's it. Okay. Well, oh wow, this is kind of creepy. Lord's Granny. Well, just I'm gonna blow up your house. Okay. I'm gonna leave before anything really majorly bad happens. Yeah, what's down here? Got a bunch of cars here? Okay, that's cool. Okay, I'm gonna destroy a bunch of stuff and go empty. I must leave immediately. Ooh, that was close. I kind of feel like blowing this thing up because surely, I mean, shooting it wasn't even enough. So, airstrike. Okay, let's get this. Oh, that's me. Oh, I'm like turning. I lived. I'm so tough. Let's just make sure I live extra. Uh-oh. Alright, well, I'm done. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see any more teardown videos like this, please leave a comment below and leave a like and subscribe all at once. And goodbye. That's it.